Hi everyone, I'm Brianna with WTI and I want to show you my adorable little coffee maker. This is by Chulux and I have it in this beautiful light blue color.
It's so easy to get started. You just fill your water reservoir with 5 to 12 ounces of water, and you can put in the pod of your choice. So I am using a refillable coffee pod since I like my coffee on the weaker side, but feel free to make it how you like. Now, once you press the button, it'll preheat, and when it's solid, there you go. There is your coffee brewing. It's really quick and easy to make a single cup of coffee, and I love that I can control how strong or how weak the coffee is. The company is great because they include all of the instructions you need if you ever encounter a clog, which can happen with any coffee machine. So far, I have had no problems with this machine. I just love how much quicker it is to prepare my cup of coffee in the morning. I can just press the button and go about my other things I need to do. And when I come back, there is my perfect cup of coffee waiting for me. The base is removable, so you can remove the metal grate to clean there, and you can also remove the whole thing if you have a bigger cup, such as a mug like this one I have, and it fits perfectly right there, so you can still fit a larger cup. Overall, this is a great single serving coffee maker. I love how it looks. It's super cute, portable, and it works great. I highly recommend it.
And that's my point of view.